I'm Jordan Lee with Rapid Signal. Let's address the question every communications director asks. Are you trying to replace my team? No. We're trying to make your team unstoppable. Here's what your team does that AI never will. They set strategy. They know your members. They understand the politics. They approve every message. They decide what to say, when to say it, and who to say it to. Here's what Rapid Signal does that your team can't. Produce 100 pieces of broadcast quality content per day across 70 languages in 2 to 4 hours. Your comms director becomes a general, not a grunt. They command the strategy. We handle the production bottleneck that's been holding them back. And here's what makes us different from every other AI company. Every piece of content is labeled AI generated. Every message is human written and fact-checked. Full transparency. No tricks. The organizations that hide their AI usage will get caught. We'd rather be trusted. I'm Jordan Lee. Verified signals through the noise.